In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix MoonPay app not working. So if MoonPay application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. In that case, make sure you're connected to a stable network. But still, if your application is not working, there might be some bugs in the application. So in order to fix it, what you have to do is update it. Launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for MoonPay. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for MoonPay and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, if you find the option for update, what you have to do is tap on it. After you do that, your application will be updated. Now your problem should be fixed. But if your application still does not work, it might be because of the cache. So in that case, what you have to do is clear the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device, find the application for MoonPay and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. Tap on this option storage and cache. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now the cache of this application will be cleared. Now try using the application and your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your application will surely work. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. In that case, try restarting your device. Long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart that you can see on the screen. After you do that, your device will be restarted. After that, your problem should be solved. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. So that is how you fix MoonPay app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.